The entryway is often the messiest part of the home, so it's essential to keep it organized. I like to keep the entryway as empty as possible for a clean look. However, some things come in and go out daily. So I've dedicated two baskets for these items. The smaller basket hides all the bills and receipts from wallets and purses, while the larger basket holds umbrellas, wallets, sunglasses, and other daily essentials. Each time we come home, we empty our purses, remove receipts, and place the wallets in the larger basket. If you have dedicated cupboards for linens or tablecloths, there's one simple trick to instantly make your wardrobe look prettier. When stacking linens, ensure the neatly folded edge faces the front rather than the edge with multiple folds. This small change makes the wardrobe appear more organized. Commonly used items like keys and shopping bags can quickly create clutter if not kept in one place. I've dedicated one drawer just for shopping bags, which prevents us from buying extra bags at the supermarket. Similarly, another drawer is reserved for daily essentials like keys, tissues, and extra spectacles. Assigning dedicated drawers keeps smaller items in check and prevents mess. The dining table is often the busiest area of the home, used for meals, work, or even chatting. Sometimes even to study or for any kind of office work. So to keep it organized, you can corral everything into a basket or a tray, like I have done today. Placing all the items in the tray, and make sure you avoid leaving anything outside. This method keeps things neat and adds a touch of aesthetic appeal. To make kitchen cabinets look neat and organized, use similar containers and jars. One of my cabinets has matching jars, while another has glass jars with wooden lids that are also similar to each other. This creates a uniform and tidy look. Medicine strips often lose their expiry dates after a few uses. To fix this, I write the expiry date on two sides of each strip using a marker. This makes it easy to read the dates at a glance and ensures you don't use expired medicines. Smaller handbags often end up hanging on door handles, creating clutter, specifically visual clutter. To organize them, I place all the smaller sling bags into one larger bag. The bigger bag becomes a home for all smaller pouches, making them easier to find. Hope these tips were helpful today. Thanks for watching.